Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I've been sitting here for the last 40 minutes sorting through footage that you guys sent in for my music video. In case you missed it, on my Instagram story about 3-ish days ago, I posted something basically saying that you can submit a horizontal video to this email on the screen and you'll most likely have a chance of making it in my new music video for my song Before the Autumn Approach. It's such a fun, feel-good summer song. I can't wait for you guys to hear it, but more importantly, I can't wait for you guys to see this video that I'm gonna put together with your summer clips, because honestly, at the end of the day, I wouldn't be able to do anything relating to creating music as a hobby and not as like solely reliant as my only source of income if it weren't for you guys. It's honestly pretty early in the morning. It's 6:28 right now and I'm eating some pancakes. I put whipped cream, maple syrup on them. And then we're gonna do a morning walk because later today I'm going to be in a car for 3 hours doing a little road trip with one of my girlfriends, Kaylee, up to MCCALL, Idaho. I'm so ecstatic to be going to MCCALL because one, it's just the most magical summer place. It's also really magical in the winter. But our other friends, Kaylee and Charlie, are gonna be waiting up there and we're just gonna have like a really fun 48 hours before I go back to Austin, Texas, and then straight to New York from there. With that being said, I am gonna go through probably like 4 more of these videos. There are so many that y'all sent in, and my face the whole time while watching these has just been like beaming from smile to smile. Thank you so much for all of you guys who submitted your summer memories. I just adore y'all so much and I'm so thankful. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart. All right, let's keep watching. Ooh, love all the way from South Africa.
Resistance is down when you're around, Christ fading. And in your condition, I don't wanna be alone. When my heart starts beating triple time with the
Oh my gosh, I'm so sleepy. All right, I'm gonna park at Boise State University and then just go on a walk, see where the wind takes me today. Also, in case you didn't know, I have a new song that's out right now, and then the one that I was talking about earlier is coming out later this month, but the one that's out right now is called D&D, Driving Through Zip Codes. The best way to listen to this album, because there's 3 different songs, is to start with this one at the top, which is the regular. Make sure that your shuffle or repeat isn't turned on, and the transition from the end of the song into the next one, the sped up, is absolute perfection. It's my favorite thing to listen to. Let's roll. Ready, best part. I've got the moon on my left and it's chasing me down. Blew through an album, should I turn around now? I'm driving through zip codes, zip codes. I've got the moon on my left and it's chasing me down. Blew through an album, should I turn around now? I'm driving through zip codes. 1 month until senior year officially starts. My bags are all packed. I have this little backpack from Dagny Dover and then my Glossier duffel bag. Last thing that I'm packing is this book. This is my new current read. I'm honestly not really far into it, but I love this author, Ellen. Maybe I'll keep you updated and hopefully I can get some good reading progress done while I'm in MCCALL. Kaylee is on her way right now. She's gonna pick me up and then we're gonna go to Black Rock. I think I convinced her to go. Craving some sort of coffee from Black Rock, so we're gonna go do that. But it's been a really productive day. I got a lot of cleaning done. I can't wait to head out and drive up north. So this was our main full day because we were only here in MCCALL for 48 hours, but it was a very packed and very memorable one. We started off the morning riding bikes and going to this coffee shop called North Fork. The girls and I sat on this pier drinking our coffee for about an hour. Then we rode our bikes to Toby's thrift store and met the cat that apparently lives there. The cat did not like any of us though.
That's not nice. You don't like to tell me.
Then when we went back home, we met up with the boys, loaded up the truck with paddle boards, and then drove to this little scenic spot. Guys, it was so beautiful. There was a moose that was in the water. There were so many families. It was just awesome. I also got to read my book, which was nice. That's crazy. No. You gotta rub it in a little bit more. After that, we went home and then ended up changing cars going into Charlie's Jeep. I've never been in a Jeep like this, but I love the back of it because it was almost like a couch seat. So the three of us girls fit in here, and then we rode down to the beach where we set up camp, watched a bunch of people play volleyball while we tanned. The next morning, I woke up, started packing my bag because we were just gonna leave right after the farmer's market. Kaylee was so sweet and let me borrow a nice skirt and then this little top. And then we went to a coffee shop and I fueled up on these little cacao energy bites. I didn't show this, but I thought that I was having an allergic reaction to them and was low-key freaking out. I don't know what was in it. Maybe there was traces of cashews or other types of nuts. The farmer's market was so nice. I got homemade sourdough English muffins. We were sorting through lots of clothes. I ended up getting this really cute pair of earrings, and then I also got a bagel there. I really wanted to be present in this moment, which is why I didn't have my camera out. I wasn't talking to the camera like a vlog style. So I hope you guys still enjoyed this kind of video and got to have a little peek inside my little 48-hour vacation. If you ever get the chance to come up to Idaho, I really hope that one, you visit Boise, but also that you rent a car, make the drive up to MCCALL because it truly is so magical. I've only ever really seen MCCALL in the winter, full-blown snowstorm. So it was really nice seeing it in the summer because it truly is like a fairy garden. On that note, I have to quickly turn around and start packing for Austin and then New York. I'm gonna be a busy girl and I'm not gonna have any time to film anything, so I'll leave you here with this. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I'm so excited for y'all to hear my new song. I'm honestly curious if by the time I post this, the song will be released and uploaded. If not, go check out my other one, D&D, Driving Through Zip Codes. It's on Spotify, Apple Music, all the other platforms. You can just look my name up on Spotify and you'll find all my music. I love you guys so much. Bye.
I've got the moon on my left and it's chasing me down. Blew through an album, should I turn around now?